Open a web browser, then search BlueStacks.com. Going to download BlueStacks version 5. Download file, keep anyway. After download exe file, then open that exe file. Preparing to install, check accept all conditions, then click install. After installing the setup, then open Firestack, then going to Google Play Store and sign using your email address and password. Then search your interesting game. Available all Android games. Install 8-ball pool for testing. Install Candy Crush Saga. Play 8-ball pool